You're
Yeah, yeah,
working?
yeah.
You're working Malaysia.
No, I'm live in Bali, but I work in New Zealand, my friend. New Zealand.
Wow, you work in New
Ma-
Zealand.
No working. I have business New Zealand. Businessman.
मालूम
Business?
अरबी मालूम अरबी और
I have
What business?
restaurant. Restaurant,
Restaurant?
you know? Yeah, yeah, in New
Ah,
Zealand, New Zealand.
New Zealand restaurant.
न्यूजीलैंड
Yeah, yeah. One New Zealand, one Australia, my business.
Two people. Partnership.
If you want working there, I give you good salary. High price.
How much? How much salary? How much?
How much you want? How much you want? How much you want?
Euro. Euro. How much?
50 euro 1 hour. 50 euro 1 hour. Better for
1
you.
hour, 50 euro.
50 euro 1 hour.
50 euro. Oh, yeah.
Oh, good, yeah? Good price?
Good price. One day, how much?
One
Working?
day, I think 300 euro for you, yeah? 300 euro.
300 euro.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
month. One month big salary. 1 month.
How much in Bangladesh? How much you one day get money? How much?
I don't understand euro, New Zealand euro. I don't understand. 1
What
euro
your
how much?
currency? What your currency? What your currency? Peso.
Becho. You understand visa? Understand visa? Understand her?
English.
You take up Malay take up tau. Understand Malay take up Malay?
No.
Indonesia, all people Malay take up. Okay, Indonesia.
Depend, my friend. It depend. In
Depend.
Bali, no